At work, getting ready for a blasting again.
1 minute.
Oh, up there?
Yeah, put your video on.
Shit. That's crazy.
That was crazy. Hello.
Here we go.
I'll fucking ass die on me, Eric.
Hands up! Arnold!
Let's do it again.
The last one was.
So what you guys just saw there was, I was at work. I work at a, what we're doing is we're building a citizens bank. And basically what they do is they put dynamite in the ground and they call it blasting. They put dynamite in the ground and they blow away like all the rocks and the big boulders and everything. So they can build there. And those 2 explosions is what you just seen. So it was pretty cool to see that. Never seen that before. Must be a fun job just blowing shit up. Right now, I'm about to go to Kenny's. Now my friend Kenny. I gotta help him with something real fast. And actually, him and Rebecca, his girlfriend, just had a baby. So if he's there, you can see him. After I go to Kenny's, I'm gonna go to an ugly Christmas sweater party. I got an ugly Christmas sweater right here. You guys can't see it yet. I'll show you later. I just got it. It's pretty cool. Where's Roscoe? Let's go off. It's freaking warm out. Friday, I mean it's Sunday today. Friday it was negative, what, negative 15. I had to work outside it. It's horrible. And then today, it's Sunday, it's almost 60 degrees out. How retarded is that? New England is retarded. And then tomorrow's gonna be in the 20s again. So, this weather sucks. I cannot wait to move. Right, Marley? Look at her. I cannot wait to move to a warm state. I'll fill you in on that a little later, in a few months maybe. Not yet. You guys can't know about that yet. What's up?
Oh, what up?
Yeah. What's up? White Cross. So we have the ugly Christmas sweater party. This is my sweater. Clippers. Eagles hat. What?
Look at you all cleaned up.
Who's got the best sweater?
Chippy got the ugliest one.
Tony Rose, light it up, man.
Skippy used to wear that.
Oh, Mikey, you gotta have something.
I ain't gonna lie, I did. It was back in the day. I thought it was shit. Now it makes sense.
A Cosby footer.
Yeah, man, I've seen it.
What is this? What am I?
Toto needs some.
Oh, Mikey. Want some?
Whatever.
What you want? What you
I don't
want?
care. Just whatever.
Mikey. There you go, Mike.
All right.
Mikey's drinking Henny. Yes, sir. Go Patriots. Where's all your money at, man?
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, man. You look good all clean up. I never see you usually look like Wolfman Pack.
Where's your sweater?
You're supposed to guys see it on one customer. You're supposed to be loyal to me when it comes to orders.
You line them up?
No, I want myself. I did it today.
Yourself? What's up with this sweater?
You don't got a sweater?
I got a sweater.
See it.
Yeah.
In a contest.
Secret.
Contest.
Kippy already won. Look. Get Kippy over there. Look at that sweater. That ugly ass fucking sweater.
Bridget. Bridget. Look, even the dog. Over here. Even the dog got a sweater and he don't got a sweater.
Guys got smoked. Charger fan doing.
You a Charger fan?
Yeah, you guys have trouble today, yeah?
It's 3-7. Come here, come here. Come here. Its name is Bridget. Let's see who's here. We got TR, who's hosting it. And Ashley. Oh, that's Trevor. Trevor, Ashley, TR. That's his girlfriend, I think. There's some other girl I don't know. Dan. There you go. And Troy. And me. And some other people that's coming. What? Vlog. Got some food here. Some croissant chicken ham, macaroni, and rice. Look at these retards. Taking a picture, trying to make a scene. There we go, she wants to take a little Christmas picture. We're watching the Raiders right now and the Chargers, and we got a Chargers fan right here, Dan. And then, so yeah, I see. The Raiders are up by 3 right now. Chargers are just sacked by Bruce Irving. We need to win this game to get into second seed because we're in second. If we lose, we're gonna go back down to 5th with the Chiefs. Get out of here. We like the Titans, but we already beat them. We already beat you. We already beat you. We already beat you.
We didn't have a defense.
We already got beat. Raiders going to the Super Bowl. Interception, Phillip Rivers, like I said, Raiders win again. Best team in the league. What do you guys say? What do you guys say, Dan? I am home. I am happy the Raiders won. But cool little Christmas sweater party. Let me know what you guys think about my Christmas sweater, the Clippers. I just got it, it's brand new. And post the comments below of who you think had the best ugly Christmas sweater. But 5 a.m. comes fast, so I have to make my lunch and get ready for work. It's gonna be a long week. Christmas is exactly 1 week away. I haven't showed you guys my tree yet. Let's plug everything in. This Christmas is the most we've had under our tree for presents. It's crazy. So we got the little freaking presents here that light up so people can see it outside. Then here's our tree. Melissa, this is all the work of Melissa, by the way. I didn't really decorate, but it's a pretty nice tree. A star, we got the star over here that changes colors. It could be either blue and green and whatever that color, or gold. Or it can change. We'll just keep it gold for now. And look at all these goddamn presents for different people. And then we have a little village up here. These things play little Christmas tunes and light up. Some of them do, some of them don't. These ones, there's no lights in there, so we got little dogs. Roscoe and Marley. You can tell by because one looks like a girl, one looks like a boy if you look closely. Put like candles in here. It's pretty nice village. Then we have shut this goddamn thing. And then you guys see those. Obviously you have because it's been on TV for the past like 60 years. But the little you know, these guys. This guy, Rudolph, the heat miser, oh no, the snow miser or something. You know those little cartoons, the freaking Christmas cartoons. Santa Claus back here. But yeah, it's pretty nice. We got the Merry Christmas, then we got a snow globe with a dog in it, and it plays a little tune. But I don't feel like turning that on right now. And then we got little snow things. Celebrate the little things. Guys, always celebrate the little things. And I think I'll just be happy today. Just think you'll be happy today and celebrate the little things, and you'll do okay. Then we got the Grinch in there. We got the little decorations there, and then these little things, they're like little candle things that light up and have little decorations on them. So that is our little freaking Christmas setup we got here. Also, you got stockings of, you got Santa, then you got stockings with names on them, Roscoe, Marley. And then down the hall, you got these little snowflakes, reindeer, and say yes to new adventures. That's actually you can't really see, it's not focusing in. Right there, say yes to new adventures. That's actually a good motto because I'm going to be traveling all over the place and saying yes to new adventures. So that's a little setup. Let me know what you guys think. Post in the comments below what you think about the setup, what you think about my Christmas sweater, who you think had the best Christmas sweater. I think I did because this is just so nice. But other than that, Christmas is in a week, so I will see you guys then. Probably won't be posting all this week because of work, and it's every day, but definitely next weekend. And I'm happy the Raiders are now back in second place. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let's try to get this video 20 thumbs up. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. This is the Life of Mikey. Merry Christmas.